Stop. If you're thinking about buying MintSite to create websites, funnels, or online assets, watch this first. Because this tool claims you can build full websites in minutes using AI, without coding, without design skills, and without hiring freelancers. But is MintSite actually worth it, or just another overhyped SaaS launch? In this honest review, I'll break everything down. Plus, I'll give you exclusive bonuses if you decide to get it. Hey, welcome back. If you're an affiliate marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or beginner trying to build websites quickly, this video might save you time, money, and frustration. This is a simple, honest breakdown of MintSite so you can decide if it's right for you. What is MintSite? MintSite is an AI-powered SaaS platform designed to help you create websites, landing pages, funnels, business pages, and client sites in just a few clicks. Instead of spending hours designing or learning complicated tools, MintSite uses AI automation to generate complete, ready-to-publish sites quickly. No coding, no tech skills, no monthly developer costs. Everything is cloud-based and beginner-friendly. Key benefits. Here's why people are getting interested in MintSite. Fast website creation. You can create full websites in minutes instead of days. Beginner-friendly. Perfect if you've never built a site before. Great for side income. You can create sites for affiliate offers, local businesses, and freelance clients. Saves money. No need to hire designers or developers. Cloud-based SaaS. Access from anywhere. No installation needed. Inside MintSite. What you get. Inside MintSite, you'll typically find tools that help you generate AI-powered websites, customize layouts and content, create landing pages, publish instantly, and manage multiple sites in one place. It's built for speed and simplicity. The idea is to remove all the technical barriers so beginners can launch online assets quickly. Results and real use case. People are using tools like MintSite to launch affiliate pages fast, build local business sites, create simple agency portfolios, and test new ideas quickly. It's not a magic button, but it's a powerful shortcut for getting online faster. One of the best parts is the 30-day full money-back guarantee. So you can try MintSite, test it, and see if it fits your workflow, completely risk-free. If you get MintSite through my link below, I'm including 2 exclusive bonuses to help you get results faster. Bonus 1. AI Website Starter Kit. Value, $97. Free. This includes ready-to-use website content prompts, affiliate page layout templates, and landing page structure ideas. Perfect for launching your first site quickly. Bonus 2. Beginner's Guide to Getting Traffic. Value, $97. Free. Learn simple strategies to start bringing visitors to your new websites using organic methods, content ideas, and basic promotion techniques. This helps you actually use MintSite for real results. So, is MintSite worth it? If you want a simple AI tool to build websites fast without technical headaches, it's definitely worth checking out. Especially if you're a beginner, an affiliate marketer, a freelancer, or someone who wants to create sites quickly. And with the 30-day guarantee, there's really no risk. Click the link in the description. Grab MintSite, unlock my exclusive bonuses, and start building your first site today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.